We are staying at one of the coolest Airbnbs here in Texas. This is an entire village that you could rent out for your friends and family. And there's so many rooms. I want to show you how cool this is. It's so cool. They have actual animals on the property that you could go and pet. You could do cow cuddles. You could go feed the goats and the pigs. It's just beautiful. Look at this. You have a fire pit over here to hang out with your friends. And then each of these little places is an actual room that you could stay in that has like a bed and a bath. We have like the sheriff house, the post office. This is just so epic. And then when you get to the end, there's a saloon. I think the saloon is the coolest part because it opens up to this beautiful pool and hot tub. How epic is this? It's butterfly season. That's how poor living. Headed for blue skies and lavender fields. We're out here on Lake Austin. It is a chilly day, but I definitely have to surf because the water looks so pretty today. Wait, look at this house. That is so trippy. Chad is full sending it. I'm freezing, but I have to surf. It's too beautiful out here. And you can see it's currently raining a lot.
Most people
I wish I could stay in my sweats. Ooh, okay.
Watch the waves turn white, a new little story in the morning light. And now sweet Renny makes our family complete, a memory from Crete, forever bittersweet. Renny in